Okay, I'm going to sign in here. The first time you do this, it might take 2 minutes if you've never logged in. Next time, if you notice, it's real quick. But I can do everything here. The most important thing is this little tiny white button with the double arrows. That, I'm going to tap on it. See how the left screen kind of came into place? But you have to get it out. I'm on the smallest iPhone they make, so it's the smallest device to test on. And look at, I can even click on a territory and it'll shoot up. But if I want to see the map again, I have to hit again. See that little double arrow? And it kind of goes back to it. So, and then of course to close it, I got to tip on the double arrow. I can print from here. I can send it. I can hit the little X, hit the double arrow again, gets me back to the map. And you should be able to do everything. Like, you know, you can do the whole shot, street views. So basically everything, all this will take about 2 minutes the first time you do it on any device. Okay, cool.